In this video, I'm gonna show you how to change download location on Google Chrome. So let's get started. First, open Chrome browser on your PC. Now click three dots at the top right side. From the available options, click Settings. On the left panel, click Downloads. Here you will find folder location for all your downloads. By default, all the downloaded files will be saved at this location. To change this path, just click Change and select the new folder for the file downloads. So the next time when you download something, it will be saved to this location. So that is how you can change download location on Google Chrome. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.